In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a PandaDoc PDF. We're going to walk through a simple, clear process so that by the end, you'll know exactly how to turn any PandaDoc document into a PDF you can save, share, or store. I'll go slowly and explain what each click actually does, so you're not just following steps, you understand them. First, start by opening the document you want to save as a PDF. This means logging into your PandaDoc account, going to your dashboard, and locating the specific document in your list. It might be in your drafts, sent documents, or completed documents, depending on where you are in your workflow. Once you see it, click to open it so the full document is visible on your screen. With the document open, look toward the top of the page. Near the document title, you'll see a menu bar. In that menu, find the option labeled File. This is usually located at the top left area of the interface, just under or next to the document name. Go ahead and click on File. This is where PandaDoc keeps actions related to managing and exporting your document. After clicking File, a drop-down menu will appear. In this menu, look for the option that says Download. This tells PandaDoc that you want to create a copy of your document that you can store outside of PandaDoc itself. Hover over or click Download, and you should see a few different format options. From the list of available formats, choose PDF. Selecting PDF is important because it preserves your layout, fonts, and structure, and it's a format that almost anyone can open on any device. Once you select PDF, PandaDoc will start generating a PDF version of your document. Depending on the size of your document and your internet speed, this may take a moment. Your browser will then either start downloading the PDF automatically or ask you where you'd like to save it. Choose a folder where you'll easily find it later, and, if needed, rename the file to something clear and descriptive so you can recognize it at a glance. After the download finishes, it's a good idea to open the PDF from your computer or device just to double-check that everything looks correct. All pages are there, the formatting is intact, and any signatures or fields appear as expected. And that's it. You've successfully created a PandaDoc PDF and saved it to your device.